Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 4, English version, Math, Exercise 7.4. Multiples and factors. Math number 9. I have a piece of paper with 36 cm long and 24 cm wide, and I want to spread squares of the same size all over the surface of the paper. How long is the length of the side of the biggest square possible? So here the length of the sides are 24 centimeter and 36 centimeter. So we have to find a length that divides both 24 and 36 evenly. Evenly means there should be no remainder. We have to find a number that divides 24 and 36 evenly. So how we find that? That is actually the factor of 24 and 36. And we have to find the biggest factor, or HCF. We know HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Yes, we have to find the highest common factor here. So let us start. Factors of 24. 1 is one factor of 24, yes, because 1 divides 24 without any remainder. 2 divides 24, 3 divides 24, 4 divides 24, 5 doesn't divide 24, so 6 divides, 8 divides, 12 divides, and 24 divides. So all these are factors of 24. Now factors of 36. 1, yes, factor of 36. 2, factor of 36, because 2 divides 36 without any remainder. 3, factor of 36. 4, factor of 36. 6, factor of 36. 9, factor of 36. Then 10 not, 11 not, 12, factor of 36. 13 not, 16 not, 18, factor of 36, and 36 is the last factor of 36. Now we have to find the common factors, and then we have to find the highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor here? If we look at these, which are the commons? 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 on the both, so 3 is common, 4 is common, 6 is common, 12 is common, and 24 is not, 18 not, 36 not. So 12 is the highest common factor here. So we can write HCF is 12. So the length of the side of the biggest square possible, the length of the side of the biggest square possible is 12 centimeter. This is the answer. Thank you very much, everyone. Allah Hafiz.